Yeah, so we out again, FOV gang. Yeah, we just got the travel bug again. Miss America was like, I'm booking a flight. So I was like, okay, I guess I gotta book mine too. Anyway, we are in Cancun, Mexico. Now, when we first got here, they drove us to our room. But it's like, yeah, just for the bags, we gotta walk. We got a long walk. And they got some kind of animals out here. Like, I hope we can.
Possum slash cat.
Slash anteater. Like,
yeah, it does look like an anteater too.
Yeah, it's like all three in one. And they said they'd be over here all the time. So
just chilling.
If we see them again, we gotta definitely show y'all what they look like. You want to stop and see what it is? No, he minding his business. That's a squirrel.
That's a fucking squirrel.
Look, our squirrels don't make that noise. And then there's a cat. This is technically our second day. But you know, y'all, when we first get here, when we first go on a trip, I'd be tired. I'd be sleepy. I have a really bad habit of not going to sleep before a trip. So I will stay up the night before, make sure I'm packed, make sure I got everything and everything like that. And I still be forgetting stuff.
Yep, you surely did.
You gotta rub it in my face.
You surely did. After I reminded you.
You did. You did remind me.
It's so gorgeous. Definitely got the views.
Yeah, this place definitely has amazing views. So we're gonna go to the front of the room. Sorry. Yeah. So when we walk, I gotta kind of be like a little bit in front of you, so that way I won't be, you know, stepping on you.
So that's your excuse for stepping on my cover up?
Yeah.
As big as this cover up is, and you still
exactly.
stepped on
It's,
it?
yeah, exactly.
How you not see it?
Because it's big. It's
no, you should have been able to see it.
Look at her, y'all. Don't she look beautiful? Look at her. This is how you distract her. Well, we are in front of our resort.
Yes, guys, we're here. We got so much to show y'all at the resort. It's super nice. It is super safe, super sanitary. So we can't wait to show y'all a few of the things that we saw, in addition to the drone footage and everything. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, y'all got something. So when we arrive, y'all, they absolutely make you sanitize your shoes. So you absolutely gotta step on sanitizer, wash your feet backwards and forwards, and then you dry it right here. They will not let you in this joint without sanitizing your stuff first, okay? So once you sanitize your feet, you drop your bags over here, either with taxi service or the bellhop. You drop it over here. Then you sanitize your hands, and they sanitize it when you get out the car too, so that's twice. And then you have this beautiful, immaculate view right here.
Hey, I gotta stop you real quick. Hey, y'all, don't she look good? She look good right now. Where you get this from?
I'm lying.
Where you get this from?
I'm lying.
Hey. Okay, my bad. Keep going.
Okay, you got this beautiful view, and a lot of these little, I can't even call it a lake or a pond, there's no fish in it, but a lot of these little bodies of water are throughout the entire resort. You got one right there, you got one right here, you got many over there too. So super nice. Then you have the guest services area.
This is the normal people guest services.
That's what we thought we had to check in at, but they told us we were actually preferred members, whatever that means.
VIP. Very special. I
feel like to tell everybody that.
FOV with VIP.
That.
No, because there's still people here checking in, and we didn't check in over here. We checked in over yonder. But anyway, you want to go over there first? Or you want to go down there first?
Let's show them where we checked in first.
Okay.
So over here.
Hello, hola. Yeah, stop being so English.
I know.
Oh yeah, guys, please like, comment the video,
You hear me?
subscribe to our channel
Please.
to see more. Join the FOV family. Join the FOV gang. Are they open even?
Well, the door's always closed.
Oh, okay.
So it says club preferred. This is it, guys. We have a app to actually open the door. So they don't give you like
Room
key
keys,
fobs
yeah.
and room keys. You just have to download an app on your phone, and then that's what opens everything. We're gonna see if this is work.
Ooh, yeah.
So this is where we came in to actually check in for guest services. They took us to either side of the seats, had to sign all of our paperwork. Once we finished signing our paperwork, they gave us snacks.
Buenos dias.
They gave us snacks and everything. And this is where they also set up our room keys and made us download the app for our room keys. So we'll show you the rest.
Ooh. Sneak peek. You know we like the chess games, y'all.
And this is the setup for the food. Now, even though they have a buffet that's open and everything, they still have this too for when you first come.
Yeah.
Because E-Money Bones, he was so hungry when we got here. So he was like, I need something now. And I'm pretty sure a lot of guests be like that. So they kind of got used to it.
Yeah, they gave us welcome drinks and everything too.
Blue Kool-Aid.
Blue Kool-Aid. Diet. That looks nice.
Do you want to show them the restaurants, like going to the restaurants, or you want to just show them the pool area?
Oh, we gotta get to the restaurant to get to the pool area, so we could just do that all in one.
Okay. So I don't know what this fountain means, but it's pretty for the pictures. We got the little flowers right here, so I can do like my poses and stuff. Those. Okay, you can move.
You had to show y'all that.
It's a pretty fountain. So here we are. They have a lot of restaurants here, y'all. So they got one this direction called Lemongrass. Also, Paramore is this direction. And they have a sign over here called Moments for the Lobby Bar. And they got, not only is it a bar, but they got like some cute little sweet stuff, like some little pastries and bakery.
Little cafe. All right, we out. We out. Okay.
So we are now heading to the next bit of restaurants that they have here.
Catch the flow. Catch the flow.
Oh my. It's going to be 2 or 3 more restaurants to the left.
Huh. Okay.
Oh, you got to get this.
Oh yeah.
You got to get this.
Ooh.
You got to get that.
Blue
That's what I'm
water.
finna be. Like, as soon as I finish eating and we go do these activity joints, I'm going to be like right there getting this tan on.
You'll be taking all kinds of
Get it.
pictures. Hello. Hola. Hola. So this is the pool area. This pool is huge. It's got, I mean,
Is that everything? What you mean?
this jump is crazy.
I can't even swim, but I'm about to be swimming now.
She can swim, y'all. I taught her.
You
I
didn't
taught her
teach-
how to.
Oh,
I
don't say
taught her how to
personal.
doggy paddle.
No, you didn't teach me how to doggy paddle.
I did.
You did not.
I did.
You left me and I doggy paddled.
Look.
You never taught me
You know how
to
they say there's
doggy
always 2 sides to a
paddle.
story?
You never taught me how to doggy
This
paddle.
side, it's only one side for real.
You
Her
never
story
taught me
is
how to doggy paddle.
her story is not.
My story is the real deal, Holyfield.
No. Look. We're not going to even get into that. That was a whole different trip. Maybe when we go back to that place, we can explain that.
If y'all want to hear the story about how he left me and almost let me drown twice put that in the comments so we can actually add that one day because
comment y'all if y'all want to hear the truth. You know what I mean?
tell them the truth.
Tell the truth. Team Monty, y'all already know.
Nah, Team Abby.
Leave it in the comments and we'll let you guys know what happened. But anyway, back to this resort. We showed you guys the amazing pool and everything like that. You want to show them the beach?
Sure.
And we'll come right back to the food, because that's really what I want.
Oh, look, they got volleyball and everything right now.
Okay. Are they doing yoga over there?
Yeah, yoga too.
I'm trying to,
I'm not.
I'm trying to get that yoga on.
I'm not.
Baby bend over. Baby.
I heard one little song. They must really like the ping pong or something, because they got ping pong tables like every 10 minutes.
Ping pong's fire. We got our own private beach.
Yeah, so we don't have to find if the beach is open at, you know, everywhere else, because we have a beach attached to our resort. But look at this. Oh, I ain't never been in no fancy foot wash joint like this.
Oh, you guys know she like her rinse.
Yeah, I ain't never been in no fancy joint like this. Look at the whole, it's private. It's private. You get your private. It's nice. I can't wait to use it. And it's good because you actually can put your shoes outside of it. After you finish washing, you ain't got to worry about the sand. Because a lot of places, they be in the sand. And that kind of defeats the purpose.
Yeah, you're right. It's definitely smart to do it. They breaking the beach. They're picking up the seaweed and everything. Look at them go.
Shut up. You can look at them go.
Look at them go. Couldn't be me. But hey, I appreciate them. And this is the Gulf of Mexico, y'all.
Beyond this point, you are now leaving. Please consider that we are not responsible and also do not guarantee any purchase of food and beverages. For your own safety, upon your return, our staff will probably ask your room number. We appreciate your cooperation. Oh, shucks. So this...
On Mothers, I thought you was translating it from Spanish to English. I was like, damn, look at her go. I'm like, when you thought you knew somebody. They had the whole English at the bottom. Look at... Hey, that is funny.
How's it looking, bro?
Mm-hmm.
How's it look?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I don't know.
Thumbnail. I wanna go over there. I'm gonna go to that thing.
You was just going back when we do the thorough run at the beach. I'm hungry.
Alright, let's get food. Let's get food. You right. Let's go get food, baby.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. She always wins, y'all. I always let her win. I don't know how she got some kind of spell on me.
Don't, whatever. Don't be like that. Don't tell them people that.
Yeah, y'all can always trust me to tell you guys the truth.
Don't tell them people that.
Food.
I'm so hungry.
I hope the food is good.
Woo,
Oh,
woo. It smells good, y'all. It smells good.
Got a little spicy.
Take a look at Abby's meal. So her don't look crazy. She get all hers at one time.